Love is not a feeling. It's a commitment. Kasi sa totoong buhay, hindi naman palaging masaya ang relasyon. Dadaan at dadaan ka sa maraming problema at tensyon. Pero bakit ka mananatili kung wala na? Bakit mo pipiliing mahalin pa siya kung nagkakasawaan na kayong dalawa? Because that's when love really begins. Real love begins when you're no longer feeling love. It's not always about the rush of excitement, the butterflies, or the easy moments. It's about choosing someone when life gets tough. Dahil real love begins when things get hard. When at your worst, when you're messy and broken, at itong taong pinili mo, ay kaya ka pa rin tanggapin kahit anong mangyari. Real love begins kapag nagawa mong ipakita yung bad attitude and character mo sa kanya pero tanggap ka pa rin niya.